Hey guys, good morning, welcome to another live session of Stocksnipertrading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner is Ron. Let's get down to business here, guys.
In on US 30, sell, okay? I'm jumping in. Guys, that's a 100 pip drop. Yes, we caught it. Hey, guys, 200 pips, please, secure.
Trading with a perfect broker is the key, which takes you one step ahead. At AAAFx, we have you covered. The future of Forex is zero commission. Here at AAAFx, we offer ultra-low commission, which starts at 99 cents per lot. Our accounts spreads start from 0.0 pips. With account leverage up to 500x, and can have a minimum deposit of $100, with an additional 100% deposit bonus, regulated by HCMC Greece, compliant with ESMA. EU, regulated with FSCA, South Africa. Nothing to lose, but something to gain. Trade with the world's most liquid market provider, AFX, recommended by Stocksnipertrading. To get started, use the affiliate link below.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stocksnipertrading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning, welcome to another live session with Stocksnipertrading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner is Ron. Current time is 7:30 Eastern Standard Time, alright? So we're midway through the hourly, okay? You can see right on the screen here that we have our Forex Factory news for the day. Okay, guys, so right at 8:30, okay, it says 7:30 here, but it should be 8:30. Yeah, it goes there, I know. Okay, but you can see core retail sales, Empire State, and then retail sales based on all USD. So this is going to be high impact news. Okay, you can see red folder. So guys, right off the bat, I'm not, and I don't think you should be either, trading until that time has gone past, so we can watch and monitor. It's going to be pretty similar to CPI yesterday. Okay. So guys, if you have any questions, we'll go over these just before 8:30 hits. Okay, in about maybe 45 minutes. All right, so guys, check out the description box. Okay, it's not a buy or sell channel here. We're here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. All right, any trades taken upon yourself. We're not financial advisors, as shown in the disclaimer. So try not to risk a large percent. Okay, remember this is I was telling the guys here, it's a marathon, not a sprint. All right, and always trade according to your account. Also, guys, our two recommended brokers are AAAFx, okay, and HankoTrade. Both of the links are in the description box, so please make sure to check them out. All right, you don't need to fund live right away. You can start with the demo account and then see if it makes sense for you based on your area, spreads, commissions, and your trading style. Okay. And then next, guys, our recommended liquidity platform is Bookmap. I currently don't have Bookmap up here right now. I'll probably load it up coming in about a half hour. Okay, I was just doing some updates to my computer. Okay, and then our recommended prop firm, guys, is my Forex funds. Okay, Stocksnipertrading will give you 5% off. Pretty sure you guys have heard this before. So, yeah, guys. So that's really about it. Intro's good. Remember, 8:30 is the main focus time. You can see this is the DXY, the dollar index. All right. You can see we're in heavy consolidation on the daily, but it's been nice support and resistance areas, floor and ceilings, to kind of give us a general picture of what we can look for before this news starts to happen. Okay. All right, so let's get our daily support here. Okay, I'm going to mark this up, quickly change it. I know Ronnie was on this. Good. Okay, roughly 103. Okay, you can see on the daily, and then at higher time frame, we're going to use those higher wicks at roughly 104. Okay, so these are daily, guys. Daily support and resistance. Okay, so I have some daily support. And my daily resistance is going to be just above. Okay, so let's take a peek now, guys, at the hourly. I'm not even going to do 4 hour. We're going to drop right down. All right, this is perfect. So you can see on the hourly, we have nice consolidation starting to form. All right, nice support level hitting at that daily. And then, you know, we've had nice resistance coming in here. This was February 7th. Okay, so we haven't broken, made new highs. Recent was February 12th, 13th. Okay, and nothing has broke above to get to that 104 level. Okay, so let's take a peek, guys, at the 15. All right, so here's more of a lower time frame structure base. Okay, so for me, I'm going to actually mark up maybe on the 5 minute. This looks a little bit cleaner to me. Let's get some consolidation in there. There we go. Okay, perfect. So right around here, okay, we're going to gauge some consolidation levels. All right, let me just quickly edit that. Okay, and we're going to go from there. So I'm going to mark some support and some resistance. Okay, looking good. All right, so add some alarms here just to dive in real quick. And add an alarm. Okay, perfect. Okay, guys, so I can see 103,800 is a previous psychological level. Okay, so we're going to mark that up. Get that style here. Okay, we're going to mark that up as some nice TP, and then we're going to use 103, I would say 200. Okay, so everything we're going to mark with some alarms here, and these are going to keep for the rest of the day, guys. All right, I'm going to keep this for the rest of the day, and you know, if you guys would like to kind of do the same levels, all right, remember the daily is 104. Okay, some mid TP for bullish. Momentum is 103,800. A little bit of resistance at 103.63. Okay, a little support level at 103.4. All right, you can mark that up. Okay, and then we have some nice bearish momentum coming in at 103.2. You can see the support level here, and then if we do break 103.2, obviously 103 is the key level here. Okay, so watch these levels here on your end. Okay, remember the news is going to have high impact based on what we're actually trading. Okay, so let's take a look at Goldie, guys. Okay, look at NASDAQ here, big dump. Dow, look at gold. Okay, just in a range. And then look at oil here. Okay, and look at BTC, guys. I like this. Davey likes. All right, look at BTC. Okay, so let's take a look at gold here on the daily, guys. I know this is the one everyone wants to see. All right, and then we'll look at members. You let me know if you want to look at Dow or NASDAQ. Okay, you let me know. All right, we got some daily here starting to form. some daily resistance kind of showing on this current break of structure here. We'll edit that a little bit when we get back to, okay, so DXY went bullish. Goldie probably went a little bit bearish right now. Yep. Okay, so let's take a look at it. Drop down to the 4 hour. Okay, I'm going to use 1860. That's some daily. Okay. You can see just below the daily 1832. Okay, nice little wick support structure here. We can bring that up. Doesn't really matter. 1832. Can use that. And you can see the nice support level it's starting to hold. Okay. So pretty simple here. I see some 4 hour resistance starting to come in. You can see nice little drop. Okay. All right, 4 hour support is just going to be below. You can already see we're starting to break the previous candle, okay, body. Getting a little bit held here. So I might leave this for the hourly. Okay, I have some nice hourly resistance here. Guys, what do you think is forming right now on gold? Okay, what are you guys seeing right now? A little bit of resistance coming in here. Look at 1837. Guys, just keep in mind, members, watch the Discord, okay? All right, there's some key levels there that you want to keep an eye on, and remember the overall trend, okay? So I see some 1 hour resistance here. Look at 1838. Okay, and we get some hourly resistance coming in. Okay, and then my hourly support, we're looking at maybe 1833.5. Okay, and then we'll take a look, guys, at our 15-minute. This is just in that range. Remember, we're talking about this. Okay, and this is what we're starting to form here. This is the 4 hour and the daily demand zone. You can start to see in here. Okay, so if we break above here, guys, okay, I'm looking for a nice little bullish push here. All right, I don't really have much on the 15, so we're going to drop down to the 5. Okay, move this over here. It's just floating. All right, and check what the range we're currently in. It makes no sense to be able to trade right now. It's just going to get us caught, and we're going to get pissed off. Okay, so let's just watch and see here. Consolidate this on the 5, and we're going to watch the overall breakout happen. Okay, and I have a feeling this is going to happen during news. You might get some movement coming in right before, but this is what we have currently on gold. Okay, so we'll mark some alarms here. Okay, and we're going to see how price is going to react. All right, if we break bullish, okay, you can see nice support level here, 1842, 1843. Okay, right near that 4 hour. Let's see here, 1842. Okay, so we'll keep that there. If we do break bearish, guys, let's take a look at the 15 real quick. Go to the daily 4 hour here. If we do break there, look at that big long wick. Okay, so we're going to mark that up. That's 1824, 1825 area. Okay, and you can see the breakdown if we break below that daily here. Okay. Okay. So guys, let me take a peek here. What we got here the guys want. I don't see one NASDAQ mentioned there. So I do think we are going to rock and roll on the Dow Jones, guys. Okay, I'm bullish on gold personally. We'll see until news. All right, so let's watch and see here, and let's head over and look at the Dow. Let's go to the daily here. Guys, look at this. All right, look at this shitty price action here on the daily. This is pretty much dealing with close of a neutral area here on the 14th, you know, Valentine's Day yesterday. And by the way, guys, I hope everyone had a good Valentine's Day. You know, you got your sweeties and honey, something nice. All right. And you can see the daily support and resistance for me. Currently, like I said, we do have a little bit more structure here, but that's just on the previous level candle. So I'm going to mark that up some daily support. And then we have our daily resistance here. Okay, so let's take a look at the 4 hour. Okay, nice 4 hour support kind of showing. You can see to the left, once previous wick down, big bullish movement, broke through previous resistance. Okay, and now we're holding to the left. All right, this bad boy is right at that bottom wick. So I do see some 4 hour resistance here right above. Hopefully you guys can see that too. All right, so 4 hour support. And we got 4 hour resistance just above. Okay. Okay, guys, let's do one quick thing here so we're all on the same page. Okay, 35,400. Ignore these levels here. I just want to talk quickly. Okay, guys, in support and resistance, okay, the resistance is also considered what? The floor or the ceiling? Okay. And what does this mean? When you're coming up here, all right, generally resistance means what? Buyers or sellers? Sellers, okay? Ceiling, resistance, sellers, all right? Now, obviously, momentum can push through on big legs and big volume movements created by other news or, you know, even larger players, all right? Now, guys, let's talk about this. The floor, obviously, we understand this. The floor would be support, okay? And then it would be buyers, okay? So take a peek here, guys. This was happened yesterday on the range in NASDAQ. I don't know if you guys remember that. NAS was buy and sell. I told you guys at the end of the call there's two different levels here, and they hit both sell, buy, and sell actually. So 3 times you could have used this. Okay, so let's talk about here. All right, price breaks through, retest. Okay, we have first leg coming up here. All right, comes to a nice resistance area. This is where selling happens. Why? Buyers are taking profit, pushing price rate back down. Then previous level structure. Okay, buyers have happened and they've been sitting here. This is where you would see pending orders. Okay, guys, don't worry about the candles. I'm not worried about candles right now. Okay, this is where you would see buyers step in again because previous level structure. Okay, right now, in this instance, buyers will take control and walk price rate back up to an area of Rob Mac. What would this be here? I think it would be sellers. Okay, so guys, the reason why I'm going over this with you so you understand. All right, a lot of people buy the highs. Okay, a lot of people sell the lows, and that's why they get trapped. Okay, so I just wanted to illustrate this for you right at the beginning of the call so we're all on the same page. Guys, when I just go to illustrate something like this, I don't really need to use candles. Okay, so This is better instant learning than showing anything else, in my opinion. Okay, so we're good. And you can see, guys, sellers here, buyers here. All right, so let's now go for our hourly. Let's take a drop down. Okay, and we're going to move that just up a little bit here. It's an impulsive move. Okay, we're going to use our hourly just right above here. All right, we got some hourly support. I'm not really going to use that. I'm going to use the 4-hour instant instead. Okay, so let's take a look at the 15. In case you buy the high, one, you would have to watch, obviously, maybe RSI showing overbought, oversold, and just generally where you're at. If it's near an hourly, it can push through. If it's near news, different areas like that. Okay. All right, so I see some nice hourly resistance just right above here. Okay, right at 34,040. Sorry, 15-minute. My bad, 15-minute resistance. Okay, and then the 15-minute support is going to be just below here. Okay, it was once previous resistance, now acting as a support level. And this is going to be the consolidation coming on the 5. All right. All right, and then here's on the 5-minute. All right, so we're pushing right back into that 5-minute resistance range. Okay, you can see to the left here, we're pushing right back in, very similar to gold. Okay, so here's the range. Okay, so again, let's set some alarms. Okay, and we're just going to watch and see. All right, so current time, guys, is 7:52. All right, we're going to watch for that hourly switch, and then we're going to watch for the news coming in. All right, so let's watch and see both. All right, and look at gold, you guys, breaking down. Okay, let it come back. Nice big opportunity here, coming probably back down to our 1833. Okay, 1832 area. And anywhere in here, you can see that there was previous structure for some buying to happen. All right. Again, overall momentum on the higher time frame looks bearish. Okay, so let's watch and see. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay, just below the 50. That's why I wanted to quickly check, and then we'll edit this green so you guys are understanding there's some buyers sitting there, right? And I got about 56 seconds for this candle to close. Okay, and here it goes, just on about 20. We're going to see if this is going to close above or below the resistance. Okay, So buyers stepped in here. You can see the pushing right back. Let's take a look at the Dow. Okay, holding some momentum here right in the range as well. Okay, and this is the last 5-minute candle before we have that hourly changeover, guys. Okay, just FYI. So remember that. Let's take a look at quickly oil. I have one nice little opportunity on oil at 78. We're going to see here. Let's mark this up real quick. Okay, so 77.9.97. All right, so this is a oil buying area for me. Okay, so oil, it can easily do one or two things here. It can come back if it's going to not, get resisted here. Come back, we can make a nice little bounce. If we close below here, okay, you can see the level of structure going to get broken, all right? And then the thing might actually fall back down and get into our 77.50 general area, okay? But again, don't do anything until your 8:30. Okay, there's Goldie again. Okay, and Dow's here just ranging too. Everything is going to be in that. Okay, look at this. There's the DXY. She be flying right 103,800. Look at this. Right before the news. Sorry, right before the hourly change up, then the news. All right. And it's coming there pretty hot. Hot and heavy. This is what I want to see here. If gold is correlated and this gets rejected at 103.8, okay, in here, watch for a push and then maybe a drop back down retest, and then we might get a continuation to the highs. Okay, 103.950. All right, so let's watch. GU's making a bottom. Let's see something on GBP USD here, guys. All right. Let's mark up a key level here. All right, let's see and watch GU how we're going to get in this general area here. Okay, looks like some GU nice support. Okay, so let's watch and see. Oh, supposed to be a bracket here. All right, so see this volume candle broke. All right, that could be switching and flipping the book here. Retested, you can see, started to break down again. So that's a perfect break, retest, continuation, just following the overall trend. Okay, making a high here, consolidation, making low, attempt to high again, break, retest, and now you have your continuation. So Watch and see GBP USD right at this level right here. Okay. Look at the Dow finding some support. Look at gold finding some support here. Again, guys, personally, I am bullish on gold. That's just me, but we'll watch and see how this news is going to happen. This is I need the gold break area right in here. If it dumps off, I do believe even later in the day it can get a little bit bullish. Okay, the dirty here. Give it 5 minutes. So take a look at the Dow Jones. 339. Okay, guys, if we break down in here, all right, 33920, which is right near the 4 hour, okay, we can get back down possibly to our daily here, which is a continuation. All right, Goldie rejected again. Everything is wish-washing right before this news. Okay. Let's go take a look at GU. Nasdaq not moving. Look at GBP USD finding some bottom out here. Remember, 20650 on GBP USD. Okay. Shows as clean resistance now, but if this news, okay, starts to come in and we start to get at this flip, all right, then that would be a perfect area for a continuation. Okay, look at still holding the range. Allah, this week has been busy and choppy. I personally prefer to watch. Yeah. Whatever is in your best interest, man. Like I said, everyone has their own risk tolerance. And it's good learning coming off of CPI news. Like today is another big news folder event, guys. Like I'm not too sure if you guys remember that. We have actually a lot more people on here now than we did at the beginning. You can see right here, 8:30. Okay. This is the USD we're dealing with. Core retail, Empire, and retail. All right. Take a look. All right. 11 minutes ago, let's take a look at the preview here, guys. All right. So this is from FX Street. This is also a really good news source, guys. If you do not know FX Street, okay, members, I'm going to share this with you just so you guys can see it. This is really good for retail. Okay, and just overall news. We have a live feed coming in our Discord with this in news section off FX Street. So anything to do with currencies, all right, we get that in there. So, but again, I wanted to just send that to you so you guys have it and go from there. Okay. Okay, so let's just kind of do a quick read. The U.S. Census Bureau will release the January retail sale report on Wednesday, February 15th. Okay. So right now, as we get closer to the release time, here are the forecasts economists and researchers of the 7 major banks regarding their coming data. Retail sales in the U.S. are expected to rise by 1.9% versus the negative 1.1% in December. Meanwhile, the sales ex autos, so auto sales, are expected at 0.8, okay, versus negative 1.1 in December. So-called control groups for the GDP calculations is expected, okay, 0.8, and then MOM versus negative 0.7 in December. Okay, guys, I don't know if you just saw some posts recently, but cars are, they're saying car prices are just not affordable for a lot of people. I don't know if I agree with that 100%. Okay, but you know, I do think that this overall census is probably going to be a little bit maybe correct. All right, and we'll see how this is going to have a major impact or a catalyst coming in off the current news. Okay. Okay. So here we are back in our consolidation on gold. Watch the range go, probably coming back down to tap 1832, maybe 1833 area. Okay, look at oil. Okay, look at what we have here on the Dow. Guys, if we break here, okay, like this short, I do think we're probably going to get back down. Okay, here's the tap there. Oh, fuck, there it goes. See what I mean? I think we can probably get back down to maybe our 4-hour support. Okay, so just watch and see. Let's see how this kind of plays out. All right, and main focus is going to be this 8:30 time, and we got about 24 more minutes here. Nasdaq dropping too. Look at GBP curling. Okay, Goldie. And here's our DXY. All right. So a little bit of short-term pullback. Nasdaq, there's the Dow falling. No, I'm not in anything right now until more closer to news time, guys. I kind of mentioned that in Discord. All right, and I kind of said it a few times here. Just wanted to see how this would actually play out if the Dow gets a follow through. There it goes. So trapping gap. Gareth, I have MT4. I also have MT5 with a funded account. I have both. I would really like to try C Trader, but for right now, I'm just going to stick with those two. It's not a weird question. That's actually a really good question, because if you guys know that MT4 you can't get on the Apple Store anymore, so unless you guys have it backed up somewhere, that's the only way to really get it. Unless you're using, obviously, more of a PC Android. Is there any Bookmap tutorials? We do have a Bookmap tutorial on our website. We did one with Bookmap itself on YouTube. Okay, so you can scroll back. Don't go to the live section. Go to just your educational content, and it should be there. Dude, it does suck for Mac users, absolutely. But yeah, I have Bookmap up now, guys. I just pulled it up. All right, and I'm seeing some nice consolidated volume on both gold and even oil. Okay, oil is dropping back down. Look at gold. And we're coming to our first 10-minute close on the new hourly. And you can see we're holding bullish. Okay, so still range. Let's take a peek at the Dow. And look at the Dow here, guys. Take a look at this. It needs to break that previous wick to get that low. All right. Yesterday we were in all sells. Okay. Everything sold off, even gold. All right. If you go back and watch the video at the key levels here, it respected that multiple times. Okay, take a look. Here's the retest on the Dow, and this is our first 10-minute close, guys, on the hourly. You can see here a little bit of a wick. And members, let's take a peek here what I got for you. Okay, so same levels. Members, we'll have to wait until after news for some more here, but we are still selling off. Do you think NASDAQ is going to sell too? I think our target, okay, see right up in here, 33850 if it continues to break and make a new lower low, okay. Okay, 33900 is just below here, right near the 4-hour. So let's just watch and see here. We can get some buyers stepping in, but this news can negate everything. I'm just going to mark that as some neutral. And you can see what's starting to happen. Okay, and let's go take a look at gold here. You can see, sorry, the DXY. GU's a little bit of resistance still following the trend. Okay, let's see, do we see anything here? Guys, okay, this is perfect, okay? What do you guys see starting to form here? Okay, so let's maybe go over this, okay? Take a peek. Look what's starting to form from here, okay? We're making new lows. Okay, and then you can see here, look at the RSI. Now, again, this is just if you're a trader who likes to use some indicators for more confirmation. Take a look, all right? This should be dropping this way for the continuation, okay? But take a peek how it's acting different, and you can see price is starting to rise. Okay, now remember, this is only in the 5-minute, okay, but this right here is, what is this, bullish or bearish divergence? Okay, members, we're on par here. Okay, so let's watch and see. Boom. Let's erase everything here. We know there's divergence. So let's see if this general area rating here is going to act as a nice possible breakthrough. If not, you go on the 4-hour here. Okay, you can see what's happening. All right, if we break down, we're probably going to get back down to, I would say, probably the previous level structure. We're almost tapping there right now. Nothing has broke below, but again, take a look at this 4-hour. All right, if they hold this right here, oops, sorry guys. Okay, you can see this could turn into something like this. Okay, but if they close below, all right, expect a big drop, probably back down anywhere to this general mark right here. Okay, so let's just watch and see. It's always good to check it out. We'll erase everything here. There goes the Dow, guys. Okay, coming right back to that 4-hour. So let's see if they can make that lower low. Guys, did anyone personally take the Dow Jones? Okay, remember, look to the left, guys. Watch the short-term pullbacks. Okay, Goldie rejecting too, not getting near those highs. See, pushing right back down. Look at the consolidation. Oh, perfect timing, guys. This is our 8:15 time. Okay. So again, I think we are all on agreement that 8:30 is going to be the time we're going to have a party at. You're going to watch then. If you're entering in before, remember, have your stop losses in place. Okay. Now watch and see. Let's get oil here. Let's add an alarm. Okay, alarm is set, and we'll see what's going on. There's that DXY. Remember yesterday how we went over the news? If you're looking at trading before, you know what I mean? It's just make sure you are fully acceptable. Sorry, if you not fully acceptable, if you fully accept the outcome, right? If you go and draw down and you come back, it could be a definite gamble if you are not and have not traded before. Okay. So they're ranging, guys. This looks bullish at this current time. If we're going to break down, we're definitely coming back into that consolidation range. So Euro went bullish. GU looking like it's going to get some resistance here. Keep continuing. Okay, and that bottom wick on the higher time frame was right around in here. Just letting you know. If you go on the 4 hour, you will see a previous level structure at 1.20,000. DXY. Nasdaq Dow still holding. Okay, so their Dow is just getting some support at previous structure. You can see at that 4 hour, it's not breaking just yet. It's actually finding some support. You're getting a little bit of a first tweezer top forming. Okay, if you guys don't know what tweezer tops are, there's a video in the education section. Please head over and check it out. Shahab, if you don't mind, bro, can you drop that in there for these guys? Okay, and then there's gold here too, still ranging. Okay, guys, in about 2 seconds, I'm going to let my dog out real quick, and then I'm going to trade through news, and then I'll grab him around 9 o'clock. So you can see why I'm currently waiting. All right, this is horrible price action on all fronts. Okay, you know, at least for gold, you can see oil is starting to find some support here. All right, very similar to our break and retest kind of scenario on GU. Okay, GU was bearish, oil broke. Okay, here's your retest starting to come to a level. Okay, let's watch and see here. News is going to come through, so it could go either way, and then we're going to see how they're going to react at 78 again. Okay. Okay, and then there's your Dow reversing. Okay. How's Goldie dropping? Okay, big rejection coming in. Okay, so nothing near our hourly. Still dumping in, coming back to previous range. I think we're probably going to get back to 1832.8. Okay, 1833 level here. Perfect. All right, I'm going to go 1833. We're going to mark this down here. Okay, let it fall, guys. Okay, right back into previous level demand structure. So on the higher time frame, guys, it's showing a bearish flag. Let's take a look at it. Okay, there it is. All right, on the 4 hour. Okay, let's look at the hourly here. This is what I meant. Flag pull, flag. We're going to see if we're going to get that continuation. If, however, we find support, which I do believe that gold is going to go bullish, but we'll watch based on this news, we can probably get back up to maybe 1841, 1844. Okay, we'll mark that up just above here, just to be safe. Okay, and I'm going to head over and set an alarm on GBP USD as well. We have alarm on gold. See the Dow dropping. NASDAQ finding some support. This is what I wanted to set an alarm with right here. Alright guys, I'm going to quickly go let the doggy out. And then we're going to come back and we're going to trade this 8:30 news. Okay, don't get jittery. We can wait 5 minutes. You guys know how it is normally. And then we'll look at catching some of the reversals. It could be a complete dud, guys. Yesterday was major CPI news. They could launch these all different directions. It's just going to have a lot of confusion in the market. And that's something we don't want to be a part of. So give me 2 seconds, guys. I will be right back. And I'm excited to finish off and get ready to start this news. This is like the day starting right here. Alright guys, so you can see here right before price is just still bouncing, guys. Goldie is horrible right now. Look at the Dow, still holding. Okay, 2 times it's tapped here. You can see NASDAQ, look at GBP USD dropping down. Heavy resistance, okay, at 20,500. Okay, so guys, this is going to be a big interesting news event. All right, I don't suggest trading through it. This is what I wanted to see. Here's the DXY. Okay, we'll just erase this cartoonish drawing here. I just want to see what's going to happen. Okay, so let's watch and see what's going on with this DXY. I don't know if we're going to get that big of a pullback now just due to the overall support. Okay, at around 1037. So this will be interesting, guys. Look at the Dow holding. Look at gold picking up some volume here. Might switch this to the 10-minute. And you can see the wicks we're starting to get here. Okay, so this on the 10-minute time frame, you can see the heavy consolidation. All right, resistance coming in, guys. So here we go. Let's mark up the rules here for everyone. Through red folders can mean indecision. Okay. Your small lot sizes if you are trading. Okay, and then we'll mark that up here. Maybe wait 5 minutes. For the market to recover, and that way we'll look at getting into our moves. It goes there. I think I have it on 5. 3 minutes right here. I was on 3 minutes before, so I might have just switched there by accident. Okay. Let's just see if gold is going to have any kind of correlation with the DXY. All right. Big news coming up here. Remember, let's just kind of break this down for you one more time. This is what we're dealing with right here. And if you are trading, guys, please accept all the risk. Okay. Core retail, Empire State, and retail sales. All right. 3 major red events happening all at the same time. You guys can understand that indecision is very possible. You can see with the market condition we're in. Okay, so it was about just under 2 minutes here, guys. Cheers. Hope everyone's having a good morning. You know, I got a nice cup of coffee here. Hopefully you guys do. And getting ready. Here comes the indecision now. Okay. We're now getting into where I'm watching Bookmap on gold, guys. It's everything is pulling. Okay, like there's heavy orders removing, being added. All right, so like I say, I'm just warning you. Any of this time, guys, if I see something that I personally want to take and I don't say it, you know, it is what it is. That's just how I want to do this. Okay, if we do all conjectively get something together, we will wait for news to come pass. All right. Here it goes in about under 1 minute. And let's see the Dow real quick. Look at the Dow still holding. Oil is holding. All right. Okay, and there's just under 20 seconds now. So one more time, we'll take a peek at the Dow. Holding nice volume here. Okay, here's the initial push coming off the last 10 seconds, guys. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at that. Here it goes, guys. Okay. Nothing closed, dumping in demand. Remember, possible bearish flag forming. Let's watch and see. Okay, big drop into demand. Okay, oh my goodness, look at the dirty, guys. Drop right down. Look at this. Wow. And we had there in the demand, look at where they dropped it in. Look at that gap. Okay, watch them to fill that and then have a continuation. We'll watch and see. That's nuts, guys. Nutty. Like silly putty. GU dropped, guys. DXY Sky. Oh, there goes NASDAQ. Big drop. GU, no continuation. Okay, let it get back down. Remember, almost 20,000. We're right there on GU, guys. So let it do its thing here. Let's see this. DXY, there it goes. Okay, almost coming near our 104 level. All right, now let's see this candle close and how it's going to react. Look at the DXY. Look at the Dow here. Nice correlation. All right. And we will check this news coming in right now. All right, so let's see how it was released. Okay, so core retail is positive. All right. Okay, that's 3 positives for the US dollar. You can see that's why we had a nice little push. Okay, nothing really turned bearish. All right, that dollar index just was a rocket. Okay, nice, continuing towards that 104. So 104 is going to be our key level to watch. Okay, you can see Goldie's starting to fill. Let it play out, let it do its thing. Okay, remember, we have some opportunities coming at that 1825 level if it continues. Okay, so about just under 2 minutes. Let's watch and see. There goes price dropping. Okay, this could be potentially our bearish flag starting to form and follow through. And let's see what's going on with the Dow here. Still indecision. See how they filled that gap, guys, pushing right back down. Okay, NASDAQ is still dumping off. Big sell-off coming in right into our previous level demand. All right, you can see to the left here. Okay, we know that there is some buyers stepping in. All right, so let's watch and see. There goes Goldie. All right, retesting something here. Let's go take a peek. Look at the Dow, still indecision. Goldie's right at the bottom, guys. So see how it's tapping the daily here. Oh, guys, I just got a crazy storm going on right now. Okay, daily tap. Look at the hourly, remember? Let's take a peek. Remember this. Okay, if we can follow through, we can get back down into our 1825, maybe even 1827, 1830 level. Okay, but let's watch and see. I'm interested in how this candle closes personally. Yeah, and they are spending as usual. Okay, 9 seconds, guys. Let's see this new candle open up here. Big candle drop. Here's the new open. Okay, testing Demand again. If we break, like I said, we're starting to fall. But we need to get past this structure here. Let's see the volume, guys. Ooh, look at that. See, right here. Look at this. I don't know if you guys saw those candle flicks. It's a battle right here, guys. Like I said, that daily's acting strong, and there is a ton of sellers currently sitting here on Bookmap. All right, these buyers are really going to have to continue to step in here if they were going to push this, and here they come. Right now, I'm starting to see more volume in. More bubbles are exploding based on some buying momentum here. The heat map is turning red on gold, so let's see how this is going to play out. Let's see oil too. Okay, oil came down, came close to tapping our 78 level here, and you can see just missed it by a few wicks, and it still can possibly fill back down here in the next 15 minutes. Okay, and look at the Dow. Okay, so remember we had 33,850 higher level time frame, previous structure. Look at where they closed. Overall buying happening here. Okay, see how they close at previous level, almost identical. Okay, and then their buyers are coming right back to break even. So that was a big dirty wick coming off of news. And if this thing pushes, we're going to watch and see how price is going to react in our consolidation area. Okay, look at this, picking it up. So nice opportunity before news. Okay, news happened, manipulation, and now we're starting to rise. So let me see right here what I got. And there's gold, guys. So yeah, I am trying to play it off to Clint Buckley's and some Neil Citrin before. Okay, so look at this dance, guys. Eventually something is going to take control, and we are going to get a push or pull movement right at this daily. Oh, sorry, I appreciate that. I'll be okay. It's nothing. Get some rest. I was also up at 3:30 today going to the gym. It's a different schedule, so it kind of hit me a little bit different. Okay, there goes Goldie, guys. Big bearish drop here coming in. All right, remember, we're coming to 1825 if this thing drops. We need closure below. All right, the momentum needs to close below here. Okay, and you can see why. Previous level structure, exactly how the buyers stepped in multiple times. Okay, let's go take a peek at that DXY here. Ooh, guys, there goes the Dow. Look at this. Oof. Big drop. There goes GU dumping. And this is what I want to see right here. Okay, guys, so we are coming. It already hit the rough arrow area. We are coming for this bad boy, the daily. Watch when we tap here, see what's going to happen. Okay, if this thing drops, you're going to see the DXY momentum push past here, probably to the next key level target. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Okay, that would be 10. US oil just tapped the bearish momentum, so we're going to watch oil right at this level, guys. Okay, we're going to watch 104.200. If the DXY breaks, that's our next level TP, 104.1, 104.2 area. Okay. Okay, there's the Dow wicking up again. Same level. goes Goldie. No, I'm not any trader now, guys. Right here, I have some buying levels on gold. Okay, so but I don't like the sell pressure that's coming in. All right, once we start to get some more volume stepping in, then I'm looking for an oil, sorry, maybe a gold push. But right now, it looks too bearish. Okay, here goes oil. All right, so this is a key level on oil. All right, so if we break down below, let's watch and see here. Let it push down, okay, and we're gonna see if it's gonna come right back up and make a move, okay, unless we get some support here and it just bounces. Okay, so there's two options for oil here. So let's watch and see if we're gonna tap this level again. And see if it's gonna respect it, okay? So I'm not buying this right now. I'm leaving this alone to break down in this general area, same as what happened over here. Okay, just so you guys are on the same understanding as me. Oil's going to 1600. Sorry, gold's going to 1600. That's a big drop, guys. Get ready. You're going to be the guy who broke the Bank of England. Look at BTC, guys. Nice bull flag holding. There goes oil. Let's see here. Gold is still finicky. All right. Okay, guys, let's watch and see here. Okay, let's see everything else. There goes same level demand on the Dow. Price movement is too much for me. You can see here on both gold, it's critical level. Look at the Dow. Push, pull, push. Okay. Oh, guys, there goes. There it goes. Let's see here. Guys, I'm going to enter in a small buy on gold. We're going to see how it's going to react. My stop loss will be if it breaks down below past the daily. Let's see what we got here. It's in the range. Nice consolidation. So let's see. I want to see the dollar index too. This is what I really want to see here. Because you can see they haven't broke the hourly yet. You can see here they haven't broke the hourly. If they don't break the hourly, all right, this is just going to keep resisting, and then you're going to see gold start to continue down. But right now, we're going to see how this is going to play out. Everything reversed, guys. Look at GU. Oof, look at everything. Everything reversed, guys. Everything. Okay, so remember, okay, this is the key level resistance. We have not broke above here yet. Okay, it's been at least an hour of key resistance here. They need to swing this momentum. Let's watch. Outer moving averages on now, guys. That's what I wanted to see. You can see what we're dealing with. Look at the 9 EMA. We're slowly starting to close above. All right. See the key resistance here. Multiple times it's been rejected. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so same level, guys. So I told you, watch the resistance. And here we go, about I would say 3 minutes and 45 seconds before the last 15-minute candle here comes in. So another resistance at that level. Watch the 9, guys. Okay, let's take a look at everything else, guys. Look at the Dow here, big rejection coming at that 200. Manipulation is real right now, okay? And there goes NASDAQ, big push, big pull. That's why I said sitting out on these indices and everything else is probably your best bet at this current time. Look at what happened with GU, okay? Found nice support, and now we're starting to get a little bit of a walk. Look at the 9 though. It's crushing it back down, okay? So coming back down probably to our 20100, which was the bottom. All right, so let's mark that up here real quick. Very similar. For our zone, okay? All right, look at everything else though, guys. Just horrible. Goldie's still holding there. So it's not breaking above, guys. That 9 EMA is holding at nice support. The resistance still at that 1836. I would say 1836.5, 1837. If this thing breaks below that 9, guys, we can start to fall back past our daily, okay, getting into our 1825 level. All right, so just let's see how this hourly is going to come into play. And then I wanted to see that DXY real quick. Okay, so here's the push, okay, rate testing that 9 EMA again. Right near 104. Okay, that's a nice engulfing candlestick. Okay, wait for this 9. This is, see how they broke through and held support at previous structure. Okay, this is going to be, you know, waiting for that hourly changeover. If they hold it, all right, you can see us probably walk back up and tap the 104. If they break through, guys, like I said, they're probably pushing it right back maybe into that consolidation. Dinesh, I said I was, then I typed in the group I was. Vincent, maybe 2 of those. Okay, we need to get past that 1838, guys. Okay, we need to get past 1838. Sorry guys, I was just talking to the group. Guys, I'm running 2 trades here on gold. I got 500 bucks running, and it's still, there it goes. There's the push. Okay, I'm going to secure this personally. I'm okay with that type of going, and I'm going to get out of here. Okay, I will look to add on the pullback. I still think it's going to be good, but let's watch and see this retest. I took 30 pips on gold. Okay, while I was talking to you, executing out was rejected about 20. So let's watch this retest here. This hourly resistance is acting strong. Okay, so that's why I'm mentioning I'm currently getting out. Okay, if we pull back and tap that 90 MA and get more momentum, okay, I'm going to look for another one. Okay, another opportunity for buy. But for right now, the only reason why I am personally executing, and I'll share this trade with you on the FX, no issues there. The only reason why, personally, is this level of resistance right here. Okay, and you can see it's acting as that. If we break above here and continue, yes, I'll add. Okay, no issues. So let's watch. There goes the fly. Okay, look at oil here. Let's take a peek. Oil is dropping down. You can see where we're at. Okay, haven't tapped in just yet, other than that previous wick that we just set the chart up on. And look at the resistance that's coming in. Okay, right at that 200. All right, so watch it retest here again. And we're coming right into that new hourly. So I would be watching and waiting for everything here. But gold is ready to go, guys. Okay. How many people held gold personally through that? I actually shared my 2 trades on gold in the free FX group, guys, and I will drop the link for you so you can see. Please join this. We sent some free stuff for you guys yesterday. NASDAQ hit at least, I would say, over 200 pips. So again, breaking the hourly, just starting to. All right, you can see we're starting to walk up. The next previous level is going to be this general area right there, 1839. So for all the sellers, guys, watch on the hourly. If you guys were selling down here, I know there's a lot of people who put in sells on YouTube. They were saying it. Okay, I don't know if you're going to be wrong. I would watch and wait on the hourly personally. Okay, so if you haven't done anything yet, we're coming into that 6-minute change up. Okay, very similar. Let's see what happened on the Dow. All right, so the Dow was fantastic. Okay, but look at the momentum here. Sell, buy, sell. Too much. Okay, too much for me anyways. You can see NASDAQ was way better. See how we had liquidity stepping in here, and look at that big buying volume getting ready. Okay, if gold can continue, all right, watch this level structure right in here. All right, it's going to come right with that 200 EMA. Okay, and see what I mean, that hourly. Watch the hourly open up. Okay, here's the retest on the structure. Okay, so here we're coming right back to BE. So from 37 to 39, about it, maybe a 20 pip move on the green. All right, you can see now they're pulling it back. All right, okay, so hourly's coming in 5 minutes. All right, I could see them probably pushing this back down. Okay, maybe in this consolidation. and then maybe pushing up a nice little opportunity here if making a new higher high. And if we close below the 9, all right, what's going to happen is they're simply going to retest it, put it back near the daily in this range right in here, and then we're going to start to fall. Okay, so let's watch. Then oil's still kind of holding in and around that area. All right, remember how we talked about those two moving averages side by side? BTC is looking good. All right, the Dow is still holding. All right, right at that 15-minute consolidation. Nasdaq as well. GU not breaking. Okay, and this is what I wanted to see right here. Okay, so here it goes, guys. This is what's sending that gold bearish. Remember we talked about having the pullback? Okay, so this is retesting that 9. They dropped off here. That was that initial impulsive gold. To the left, okay, they're holding this structure right in here. Okay, they're not letting it break that. So you can see if they're going to hold this momentum, let's watch this current 103.8 level coming in on the hourly. All right, and then if not, watch this 103.865. Okay, if they push, gold is going to reverse. Okay, if they resist and drop it back down, you're going to see gold start to push. Okay, right now I bet you it's kind of going bearish. Okay, DU is going bearish. Okay, Dow is going bearish. Goldie's going bearish. Okay, very similar to the DXY in correlation. All right, so let's see if it's going to get held up at that 9 or if they're going to hold true and start the continuation. Okay, and just about, I would say, 1:40 coming in for that new 9 a.m. And there we go. They're starting to test that 9. Two large volume bubbles on Bookmap were just executed on this current candle here. Okay, so that's why we're getting some nice momentum push down. And on the hourly, let's take a peek at this. Okay, remember, look at where it's getting rejected at that 9 EMA. Okay, so right at the 9, nice resistance coming back down. Going to test the daily. If this is going to be a bearish flag, it will execute and fall back down to probably 18, maybe 30, 25 area. Okay, and then I would expect GU to follow, and I would also expect maybe the indices to continue bearish as well. So let's take a peek at those. There goes the Dow. Okay, and then we have Nasdaq rejection too. So this is nice. Let me just remove these, and you'll see what I'm about to do. All right, here's our range right now on Nasdaq for the 5. Okay, so I'm looking for Nasdaq right around this level. Okay, everything is selling off right now, guys. Right before the hourly, there's about 4 seconds left. So let's watch. Dow's dropping. Goldie's starting to hold a little bit at the support, and they're starting to close down. Let's throw in that 9 EMA here in 200. Okay, and let's take a look at everything else here. Everything is reversing on the hourly. Okay, so GU's coming to that 2,000, so 20,100, 20,000 area. Okay, let's watch and see how we're going to hold here or actually start to follow through with the break. Okay, and let's take a quick peek at oil here too, guys. If this goes into buying, I'll probably get into another buy on gold. Let's see the close here. Okay, so 801. Let's watch this candle start to close here. Initially, market is moving, correlated with the DXY. Everything is looking bearish, guys. You can see Dow here, NASDAQ. There's GU finding some bottom. Okay. Look what's going on with this DXY. Okay, we did not make a higher high just yet. Okay, they're breaking previous structure. Okay, and they're holding the resistance here. So right off the bat, you can see here, look at that wick. Bullish momentum here, breaking through, holding. Let's see if we can get that walk through and tap that 104. Okay, GU's holding so far. Look at NASDAQ falling here too. Okay, everything is dumping off, guys. And this is not even the close of the first 5 minute. Dow is selling down. Okay, Goldie's dropping too. Okay, little resistance as well. So you can see the 9 EMA is holding everything up here. And then you can see oil. Oil is horrible right now, guys. All commodities are garbage. And if that's all we get, that's all we get. We might have to focus probably on indices at market open. Okay, clean rejection here. And you can see we are just about a minute and 12 from that first 5 minute close. And then, guys, all eyes are going to be on the New York Open. Okay, at 9:30. If that's all we get, really, you can see Dow was nice right until the second part of the 30 minute. And then it was just impulsive in terms of buys and sells. And I think we're going to get back down to our 33,850 level. Personally, if we break this structure here, okay. Let's take a look. Move these moving averages. Okay, and this is the zone. We're going to mark this as green. Okay, there are buyers that were sitting there, and we're going to see if we're going to break through a demand level. Okay. Let's take a peek here. So 9:15, guys, we do have some USD capacity and then industrial. So I don't think it's going to have as much of an impact as our US red folder. Okay, and then like I said, 9:15 coming in. This is going to have a possible change in direction on maybe the DXY, or just going to have a nice continuation. Two folders, 9:15. All right, so that's going to be in our 10-minute time frame coming in. So let's just move this over here. We're executed, done. And guys, if like I said, there goes the Goldie dropping below that 9, starting to test again. Volume is strong. It's heavy consolidation right now, even on Bookmap. Okay, it's showing just a heat map with pending orders sitting above these general areas right in here. Like I'm looking at the structure. You see this level to the left, why I circled it before? There's a lot of pending sell orders right there. Okay, and you know, right now the ask price is in control. Okay, there is buyers sitting below this general area, like I said, maybe at around this structure here, which is to the left on a higher time frame. It's a little bit more bullish. Okay, so right in here, if this breaks the daily, like I said, we'll take a short all the way back down. If we do hold in here again, okay, we'll look at getting into our possible buying momentum one more time. Goes the Dow. And Nasdaq here. There's GU, guys. Okay, still bouncing in. So you're going to see a volume, like a large candle, if we break this psychological 1.20 thousand. Okay, like gold is going to drop, GU is going to drop. You're going to see a lot. The DXY, I think, is going to rise today. Look at, take a peek here, see how they held, making new highs. Let's see if that 104 is going to be in sight. Okay, so let's get ready. Mark that zone here. We'll mark it neutral. There it goes, guys. We're flying there now. Goldie, GU, and everything should be selling. All right. Nice alarm setting there, waiting. Let's get that tap. GU's slowly dropping. Look at Nasdaq. Okay, just breaking that 9 EMA and just starting to get below the 200. Look at the Dow coming right back into demand. And then Goldie right back down into our 1 hour support area. Okay. And look at oil here too, guys. Oil is still holding. Okay, so nothing's breaking below 78 so far on this news. Sorry, on this normal trading, but news can have not too much impact. Okay, but again, oil still looking into continuing bullish. Okay, so look at gold still holding. Okay, and let's take a look at US 30 here, getting into demand, loading again. See if we can make a new lower low. Yeah, Josh, we're going to watch it probably at 9:30. I just want to see what's going to happen on gold on this US. Dweet, I got someone else too. And look at everything on NASDAQ. What's going on here? Hey, Chihuahua. Guys, if you guys are still holding your buys, this is an area where, you know, you're right at almost break even. So if you're not comfortable with holding through the news, Watch and see the continuations. Let's see if we can make a new higher high on gold. Guys, Canada is nice today. It's like +8. And I got a heavy feeling about this gold buy, guys. Let's see here. I think they're going to get it to the 200 before they sell. I got to see this. That's a bold statement, but let's see if they're going to continue. +8. I'm in. Hey, listen. We haven't had plus weather in so long, guys. It's been so bad here. -28 in Calgary, Sean. Yeah, man. I will be out in Edmonton on, I think, March. I think I'm coming through Calgary too. Send me a DM. We'll link up. I know, Edmonton, I know. 51 in Texas, Sherry. Is that cold for you? Kelly, 77 in Dallas. Sarah, Los Cobos. I know, Sherry. I'm letting you feel the Canadian pain on that one. 74 in Florida, guys. Hey, man. Tabor on your way to Calgary. Don't know where Tabor is. Is it right after Red Deer? Then it's nice. 8 degrees in Hamburg. Beautiful. Okay, guys. So here we're coming to the news. BC is the nicest, absolutely, guys. They have the best weed, best views, and the best sushi in BC, guys. Finest sushi you can get. Toronto's not bad. BC's the bomb. Guys, I keep asking, where's everyone from here? -19 in Alberta? Okay, yeah, that's not my jam. It's +8 in here in Ontario. I'm very thankful for this. Montreal, UK. Trevor, okay, we need to get to the best corn here. South Africa, Ireland, Malaysia. Bro, you should let your dog go. I already did. He's already been brought back in. It's cool. Virginia, England, Munich, beautiful. Detroit. The Pistons are not doing too bad, man. They need to get a real player though. Kenya, Cambridge, Portugal, Detroit, guys. That's crazy here. Let's see, India, Melbourne. All right, guys. We have a minute and 20 for this low impact news. Okay. Vegas, Paulette. I'm so jealous. Paulette, you got to do You got to do a favor for us, by the way. Morocco, Zimbabwe, Australia, Oman, Kenya. I need to go to Japan. I want to go to China, Japan for sure, guys. I don't know if anyone's ever been there, but if you have, I'm quite jealous. Haiti, Puerto Rico, Kenya, Burlington, Jamie, what's up, dude? Right down the street. Antarctic, oil getting some love here. Let's see. Chris, you come over, man. There you go. Look at oil guys still buying. Are you Buffalo? Oh no. You're gonna be Windsor. You come over. You let me know. Here we go, guys. There's about. Let's see what we got going on. Oh, this is a dead opening here. Look at the battle right now, guys. 1837 is key resistance. If they break here, you're going to get a massive impulsive buy. Okay. This thing is another key wick down. Let's take a look at this DXY here. Still holding. Look at GU finding some bottom here. All right. Look at the dollar index. Right at that 9 EMA here, guys. Okay, still holding nice support on the DXY. So guys, listen, this is going to put us coming in near that 9:30 time. All right. I like gold here for sure. I've mentioned that for a while. I've been staying away from these indices. Like, they've had good moves here, but you can see right around the moving average, it's consolidated. Right at 8:30 time was the best time to trade it. We just watched gold, unfortunately. But I do think Nasdaq before the news, sorry, before 9:30 can get back to the news support that they started to have here. Okay. Then let's take a look at everything else. Look at the Dow starting to slowly break down here. And then look at Goldie still rejecting key 1837. It's a big resistance level, guys. Let's see if oil is getting some resistance. Yep, getting pushed back down. Today is slow, absolutely, guys, and I do think you guys can kind of understand with me. Yesterday was CPI, so the markets are still trying to get back into their overall direction. All right, if you look at the Dow Jones on the higher time frame, all right, you can see it's just in consolidation. Same with rough Nasdaq. Everything else is having good moves, but those two are just heavily consolidated. All right, and you can see Bitcoin is making nice moves too. Yeah, man. This week alone is having a large news multiple day occurrences. Okay, so you can see tomorrow. I appreciate you, CL, for letting me know. You guys, look at tomorrow. Look at this. PPI, like another, we have 4 folders. So again, this is just one of those weeks where a lot of distribution has happened. They're probably waiting for some accumulation, and then we're going to get some more distribution coming in. All right, look at Nasdaq dropping. Okay, and then look at GU still breaking down. Look at the DXY still holding, guys. Dollar index is strong. Dollar is very strong right now. Brad, they're very similar to the Discord, so I would be using those right now. Okay, GU's breaking down. Okay, look at Nasdaq here. Okay, perfect. It's roughly around the same ones. I didn't really check out anything else. We looked at maybe GU getting into something here. That's really about it. But keep an eye on 1.2200. Okay, for GBP USD. All right. So GU's dumping, guys. Gold is dumping here. Everything is starting to sell off. Okay. Look at gold. Dow is breaking down. Okay. Look at gold. Nice rejection coming in here. Okay, nothing closing above again at 1837. So let's just take a quick look at this, guys. Let's break this on the 15-minute too. It's really important. That 5-minute impulsive move, that was just a wick, okay? But look at all 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 2 hours and 30 minutes, guys. They have held 1837 rejection, okay? 2 hours. All right, so this thing is most likely going to drop back down, come into demand, and then make its next decision, and we're going to have to follow suit, possibly leading in after 9:30. All right, and look at the Dow coming right back down. Okay, members, what would you guys like to focus on during New York? Okay, let it do its thing here. Okay, Dow selling off. Everything is dropping, guys. This dollar index is very strong. Nasdaq dropping, GU dropping. Okay, look at, here we go, guys. We're about to tap 104. Get ready. Okay, guys, just letting these things simmer here. Okay, big push. Okay, let's see if we can tap that 104 today. This is the daily. Okay, if you guys remember when we set it up near the daily, here it goes, guys. Let's see. Here's that daily area. Okay, we had a next level coming in at that 104.2. So take a peek, guys. Look at that volume support. Okay, coming off that 9 EMA on the dollar. All right, we're pushing right back. There it goes. We just tapped 104, guys. Okay, look at the volume and momentum on the higher time frame. This thing is crazy strong. Okay, watch now, 104.200. That's our next level. Okay, and then watch when we tap a break here, guys. We're going to come up to that 200 EMA, which is 104.8. Maybe not today, but a little bit probably later on. Maybe by tomorrow, we'll see. Everything is free falling, guys. Okay, everything is free falling here. There it goes. Okay, let's see. GU dropped. Okay, Nasdaq dropped. Everything dropped, guys. Dow dropped. Goldie's right back into demand. Okay. And then here's oil, guys. Oil's really having nothing to do with what's going on. I'm looking for oil to make a new higher high and get to probably maybe 79 level if we're going to go bullish. Okay, if it breaks down, we're going right back down to 77.5. There goes the Dow, and there goes gold, guys. Look at this fall here, 12 seconds, and this is going to be our last 5 minutes. So monitor gold. Okay, remember, if we break here, guys, 1825 is the key level. We need to break below this daily. Okay, below the daily, here's the momentum open up. All right, so we're going to focus, guys, on the Dow Jones. Nasdaq looks pretty nice. All right, but look at the consolidation. We're in and out of the 9 and 200 EMA. If you guys know me personally, like, this is not something I like to trade. All right, look at the consolidation. This is not something I really want to be a part of 100%. All right, and then we're going to see what's going on with the Dow. Okay, so breaking structure. Like I said, 1. Okay, there we go, guys. 33785 is the Dow break for the continuation. Okay. So if we can break through here, guys, we're looking at the continuation of the dollar, and this is going to be looking at the overall lower low on the Dow Jones. Okay, so if we get back up in here, this is an area where we're maybe going to look. Okay, there it goes. Let it kind of fly. Make that neutral bar now. And then we're going to get ready to go here, guys. Okay, so gold, for all you gold sellers here. Gold, man. Gold. This is crazy, guys. Let's see here. All right. Oil's still going. Look at the Dow here. Everything's flipping, guys. Okay, everything is flipping here. So watch. We got 2 minutes left. Let's get ready. If I were you, I'd maybe sit back and relax on the first 5-minute candle. All right, this is just the low. All right, there is some buyers sitting here. You can see that. I don't like having all these 4-hour and hourly. Okay, let it do its thing here. That's if a continuation happens near the daily. All right, you can see pushing right back into that previous range. So let's give it first 5 minutes here. Let's erase everything, have a kind of clean chart. We'll keep that 200 on there just for us. And there's about 1:20 minutes. Okay, don't over leverage, guys. Okay, wait 5-10 minutes for manipulation to settle, and then don't trade 9:30 New York Stock Exchange. Maybe wait a little bit. You guys feel me and understand? Hopefully you do. We're looking good. Let's see if we can make a new lower low on the Dow. No, Ian, it doesn't. Not the dollar, no. Okay, so 13 seconds, guys. Let's get ready to rock here. You can see they're holding. Let's see if we're going near the daily, guys. Okay, volume is strong here. Watch your spreads, guys. They can erratically reverse, okay, and have good impact. Like keep in mind for a lot of wicks coming in at 338. Okay, right around in here. Watch the dump, guys. See what's going to happen in about 4 minutes. Let's take a look at NASDAQ too, finding some rejection here at that 200. And there goes the Dow. Let's see if we can get that drop. Watch your executions right now, guys, in case you get filled. Okay. Spreads and brokers go crazy at 9:30. All right, there hasn't been one. There's about a minute 30 that's gone by. That's about it. So let it do its thing here. And look at that big push. Okay. Nothing closing below. And see how they're retesting that overall zone here. Okay, nice big push. All right, that took a total of 2 minutes for this type of move to happen. They dropped it down. Buyers took control, and you can see they're starting to hold a little bit now, more than probably 5 minutes. Okay, so the resistance is still strong here, but could this be the bottom? That's what we're projecting to see. All right. Okay, and let's take a look at Goldie here too. See, gold is on the move. All right, right back into break even, guys, almost. Oil's coming right back down. Okay, watch oil to come back to at least 78.2, and you can get the free fall starting to follow. And there's the Dow here. Just a horrible, horrible range. Okay, there's been no movement on the Dow. Look at NASDAQ here. Look at that float. That thing bounced in, and this thing is bullish, guys. Okay, what's leading the direction? Is it the Dow or NASDAQ? All right, that's what we got to watch and see. NASDAQ can come up here, be a triple top, and they could reverse it back down, or start to be a double bottom here, and then this price could radically start to break out, going to 12,600, maybe even further. Okay, NAS is ready, guys. Dow's holding. There's gold. Let's see what's going to happen on gold. I'm in gold with a smaller lot size, guys. That's why I paused before. And I told the members that when I was on, you guys were on mute. Let's see if we can get that continuation here. There's no volume, guys, right now. Look at NASDAQ and Dow here. Oil still holding range. Look at everything, guys. This is just garbage. Okay. New candles opening. All right, so they're starting to hold below on the Dow. We're not getting near the break. So just keep in mind, guys, that was the first 5-minute close. All right, so if you haven't done anything, just let's sit back and see how price is going to move. Bookmap is crazy still. Okay. Bookmap is still erratic. All right. You can see NASDAQ is still very bullish. Okay. GU starting to get some bottom. All right, and there's your big rejection coming in on the US dollar. So if this continues, guys, gold is going to fly. $2,200 on GUs approaching right now. So just watch and see. This is either going to be a rejection for a sell continuation, or they're going to break it about and then maybe come up to our 2065. So right now this is acting as resistance. So far, okay, you can see a little bit of wicks here. If they break through, you're going to see volume push. Okay, there it goes. Let's see here. So is it NASDAQ that was leading the way? This is horrible. Guys, listen, this right here is what they want you to get involved with. Okay, look at Goldie here, nice push, little rejection as well. This is what they want you to get involved with right now. Okay, I'm telling you, they're trying to trap us as retail, and then they're going to make a bigger move coming at probably maybe 10 o'clock, maybe 10:15, 10:30. Do not get trapped in this. Okay, if you guys have not executed any trades, like if you're not in gold, chasing now would be a bit of a difference, I think. All right, but again, if you guys got in it, it could be running here. Watch that 1837, 1838 area. Okay, look at the Dow here. Still following NASDAQ. Okay, GU resistance. And then there's our dollar. Okay, so everything is in a range here. Goldie's still getting ready. Once gold taps the hourly here, that's when I will be exiting. I'm not getting above that 37 again, guys. Key level here, 1837. Guys, there's a lot of rejection here. Okay, I'm up 15 pips currently from when I got in, so I'm going to execute this as a getting out here. Watch the retest. Okay, I'm going to close on this current candle in about maybe a minute here. All right, I don't like the volume. Bookmap is showing there's heavy sellers sitting in here. Okay, the dollar index is still very strong. So let's see this minute close, 30 seconds here. And right now, if this rejects again, guys, we're going to draw a supply area right in here. Okay, heavy, heavy, heavy selling area. All right, so let's watch and see this candle close, and nothing is breaking above. Look at the dirty still holding. Okay, so they're breaking above right now on the Dow. And look at NASDAQ here, still ranging. GU looking at closing below. It's getting held, guys, and this is all to do with the dollar. Okay, here we go again. This might make a new higher high again, guys, on the dollar. Okay, It's coming into that key resistance level at 104. GU's down, Nasdaq's down, Dow is down. Okay, I'm looking for a sell below here if we get that break. Okay, rate taking it down to this daily here. All right, and let's see gold. Still holding. Guys, I closed my gold trade with literally 10 pips. I got in at 1836.17 and I took it at 1837.19. My commission and charges were $3.67. Okay, but again, watch this retest and see if gold is going to hold here if you're still in it. Okay. Okay, this thing is holding here. And Nasdaq is still bouncing off that 9. Okay, I bet you the Dow is going to follow suit with Nasdaq and come one more time and get right around that 9 and 200 EMA. Okay, buyers are stepping in heavy here. Let's mark that 9 and let's get all this range out of here. So buyers, okay, nothing closed below. Look at this, guys. Look at this massive pump so far. Okay, so we're going to leave this alone. We're going to mark this neutral again. Okay, if you look at gold and you're still holding, you're actually all right. Decent. I would look to secure now, like we talked about. It's 1839. Max before the key level sell is going to be at 1841. Okay, which is around that 200 EMA. And then there goes the Dow. Okay, so no trades taken. We do have a nice bullish support coming off here. All right, multiple times have we held. Nasdaq is right back up here. And just in that range. All right, let's throw on that 9 EMA here. Okay, just getting the momentum holding off that 9. Okay, members, 1 second here. Let me try to get these some levels set in here. All right, so this is going to be our last 15-minute candle, guys. All right, before that new hourly, 10 a.m. So we're way past all the manipulation now. All right, we do have post CPI trading. You guys can see right off the bat, it's horrible. All right. In terms of news for the rest of the week, we do have PPI tomorrow. All right, and today I don't think we have anything else, but everything is just in a healthy little range. The market has really kind of took a shit. It hasn't been no volume here. Okay, so let's watch. If you know where gold is going, so you can sell your house and put all your money on gold sell. I got a gambler here. I like it. Let's see what's going on with gold here, guys. So leverage your house on the gold sells. Let's see. See, 1838, 1837. Nice resistance. Okay. Coming back down. Remember how we drew the supply? Let's see if it's going to hold true. So 2 attempts, guys. Look, simultaneously on gold. 1 here. Rejection. Same level here to the left. Okay. So I'm watching and betting this 9 EMA is going to act as either the support or the key level break that's going to have gold push right back down. Okay, let's see now what's going on with the Dow. James, yeah. Okay, even Dow is getting some resistance here. This is all just getting us trapped, guys. If you can believe me when I'm telling you this, this is all they want to do. They want to get Karen involved, they want to get Ian involved, they want to get Rob involved, they want to get Dave involved. And then the big moves are going to happen. They want to get everyone on YouTube involved. And then all of a sudden they're going to lay down the continuation trend. Algo is going to go off. And you are just essentially hoping and praying you are on the right side. That's what it is. Okay. All right. You can see it's just horrible. Look at NASDAQ here, right back in some nice double top and triple top and double bottom action here. Let's see NASDAQ, there goes the pop. Okay. There goes the Dow here. Let's take a look at this all on the higher time frame, guys. We've been looking at lower time frame the entire time here, and that's totally fine. You can see there's been really no moves, nice buying opportunities stepping in. Okay, but let's take a look at the 4 hour here, guys. All right, look at what we got going on. Okay, nice momentum sell here. Here's the bottom out support level. We found the same level support as this big institution candle here at 9 a.m. Okay, so if they break this, guys, we can fall back down to probably the daily or a little bit past. If they hold here, we are going to start to walk back up to our 15-minute, hour, possible 4-hour resistance. Okay, that's on the 4 hour. The hourly, let's take a peek too. And this is what we got dealing with on the hourly. All right, I think that if we do continue bearish personally, all right, if we break all these structure levels here, we might be able to get back down to 33.5. Okay, which is around that key level zone. Okay, one more level is going to be right at 33,700. Okay, which is right below the daily. Just keep that in mind, 33,700. And we're still just doji and spinning top action on the 5 minutes. NASDAQ still strong, gold reversing. GU. Oh, guys, there it goes. All eyes on the dollar. Okay, and we're looking at the dollar right now. Let's pull up our scanner here, guys. Let's just see where price is pushed overall. Okay, so right now, guys, look at GU. Okay, so on the 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, those levels are heavily oversold. Okay, so let's take a peek here. You can see that's why I'm telling you look at 20,100. All right, watch this. Maybe you might get a 5-10 fit pullback, but watch here. NASDAQ, this thing has been like this for like 5-6 days. Okay, it doesn't really matter. All right, so again, here the momentum is going to step in. No indices or any position that you want to really get involved in. You can see the NASDAQ is at the 50 level on the majority of the lower time frames. Same with the Dow, right at around the 50. I don't really care about this. All right. Okay, these two, I need them to get about 20 level or over 70 for me to really care about it. All right, and that just shows me positions. Right now we're looking at basically 50%. It's not something I want to get involved with. Okay, look at NASDAQ here, breaking above. Let's take a peek, 1 second. Okay. Look at the Dow coming back in. So watch this gap down on NASDAQ coming right back to our 200 EMA. Okay. Okay, Dow's here breaking down. Look at gold here, guys, coming right back. So remember we talked about double top. I'm getting ready, guys, to sell gold. Okay. I'm going with that guy over here on YouTube. I wanna be joining with him on a new house. I'm not selling gold below this area though. I needed to get back near our daily. Need it to. Look at the Dow here forming. Okay, watch this dump, guys. I'm getting ready here. 33878, guys. Okay, watch this breakdown. Let's see if we can get that continuation. This is our level on the daily here coming in. Okay, I'm in, guys. See if we can get that follow through. Daddy likes. Okay, let's see if we can get that continuation here. Just an impulsive drop. 43 seconds left. Let's watch. Okay, so ooh, guys, we're right before that hourly switch. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Just keep that in mind. Okay, they could hold this on that new hourly change up, and the 5 minutes sucking price right back up. So follow suit with this hourly as our goal target here. Okay, if you didn't take anything, watch the hourly. Okay, so let's see this 3 minute here. Okay, see, there it goes. See how they're closing it above? Watch that 33850. 4 times they've pushed it up here. So as I said, watch that hourly. Okay. Let's take a look at everything else real quick. Let's see gold here. Gold is dropping, guys. Okay, I'm watching gold at a target of 1825. Breakdown here coming in. And then you can see the Dow holding. All right, so I'm telling you, watch that hourly made a new lower low, but give at least the hourly some time to come in. And look at NASDAQ here. Okay, bouncing range to range. Want to be, you'll see. Okay, and then look at GU. Okay, and then there's that dollar index. So rate holding above that 104. Okay, hourly, I want to see this DXY coming in. Okay, just under 3 minutes. This thing is strong, guys. Oof. Let's go to push 104 200. Come on. Let's go. Give it the momentum, guys. I can't wait to see this Dow and NASDAQ trade. Pump that dollar index, guys. Look at here. Look at gold, guys. Someone's buying a house. Well, not always. Let's see if we get that break. This looks like a sexy double top to me. It does. All right. 2 liquidity grabs in the sell zone. Okay, and we're not breaking that 1840 level. Let's get ready here. All right. If you're in anything, okay, we got a 2-minute hourly change up here. Okay, just keep that in mind. Dow's holding right back at break even, guys. So if you guys are in on the Dow, here's your chance to get out. Multiple attempts are holding here. Thing is strong around this level, guys, around that 3385. Getting ready, guys. Hourly change ups here. Let's see. Goldie's coming hot. Target for the sells 1825. Place a buy limit on gold. Ooh. I'm telling you, at 1832.79, there's a heavy set of buyers. Okay, 1832.79. Just keep that in mind. All right. Hourly change up. It's coming from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay. Sir Jeffrey, no, I'm not touching GU. That's Rob updating it. You can ask him. 19 seconds, guys. Is gold going to hold or fold? That's what we got to see. Is gold going to hold or fold? Goldie is a mess, and it's coming down. Okay, big drop. Here's, look at this. Grabbing some liquidity here. What are we doing on the Dow? Nice big hourly continuation so far. There it goes, guys. See what I mean? Close. Watch tip. Rate and resistance. I bet you NASDAQ is flying too. Let's watch and see. Rate out of demand. Okay, so this is just the first hourly impulsive move. Watch, we're going to wait for the first 15-minute candle to come in, guys. And we're going to see how price is going to react. All right. Big impulsive hourly switch. Look at GU, guys, it's still dropping. Okay, look at the dollar index. I'm going to actually move that above. Okay, everything is pumping, guys. Let's watch this dollar index, see if we can crash back down to that 1039. Nas pushing, Dow's still holding, guys. Nothing closed below so far. Goldie's coming, guys. Whoop. Let's watch. Look at oil coming right back down. Nice big sell. Watch gold, guys. Right at that level here. I'm telling you, 1832.79. There's a ton of buyers, but they're breaking this with momentum. Big double top here. If it follows through, she's going to fall. And look at the Dow. Still holding. Am I selling gold? No, I'm not selling gold currently. No, I want to see when it gets right in this level here. It's a beautiful sell if you guys got it. Okay, and here's the first 5-minute close, guys, in about 2 minutes. Okay, Dowser's still holding here. Let's see if this is going to actually be the final takeoff, maybe on the Dow. I want to see this candle close. My man. Let's see here. Don't buy gold. Don't buy gold, trust. Okay, let's watch and see. A, B, C, D patterns. Okay, this is it right here. See that momentum stepping in? Okay, and the first 5-minute close is coming in right now. Okay, so just under 1 minute. Okay, Goldie's picking up volume here. Dow's picking up volume. Everything is picking up. Okay. Here's the close in about 8 seconds, guys. Let's see how we're going to follow through. All right. Okay, so spin top candle close. Okay, everything is holding right now. You can see the Dow is finding some volume here. All right, so I'm going to erase this just because they are still holding. These buyers in here, this is really consolidated, guys. Okay, you can see this is a mess right now in the Dow. Okay, NASDAQ was way cleaner. All right, you can see what's happening on NASDAQ. It's in a range. Very similar to yesterday how we had GU. Okay, So just keep in mind, guys, if we don't get out of this, all right, you know, you can still trade within this range post call. Okay, but this is too much consolidation. Like, if you guys really think about it, is this really worth getting involved in? You got to ask yourself. If it is for you, then you guys trade it all day. Okay, if it's not for you, then, you know, then you just sit back and wait for a bigger move to happen, probably at maybe 10:15, 10:30, different times like that. All right, let's see the GU here still holding below. And you can see the dollar index is still in that range. Okay, so this to me is an engulfing candlestick, all right, which generally means price is going to possibly sink into a reversal. All right, if that is the case, then we're probably going to come back down to 1039. Okay, 1039, back here where all the buyers have once been sitting, very similar to how we did it here. Made a high, pulled back into some liquidity, the money pool, and then we reversed. Okay, there can be a secondary money pool right up in here too. All right, so watch. We can push back down. Okay, if we break this trend, you see how there's a trend line here? If we break here, watch this level, maybe pick up some volume and start to shoot to the upside again. Okay. Ooh, there goes NASDAQ. What is the Dow saying? And did gold break? That's the thing. Gold's still holding, guys. So far. Today is going to be a range day, I can tell you right now. Okay, this is just hot and heavy, guys. Make that lower low and it's going to go to the daily. All right, if they're picking up volume here, this thing's going to close above. Okay, right now there was heavy institutions selling on the Dow. I'm watching the E-mini right now. Okay, large volume, and the heat map was very red around this area. Okay, so just keep in mind that, you know, around break even, if you guys were still holding a Dow sell, just you can execute an exit round here. If you're not comfortable, we are going to end the call soon in probably about 7 minutes. Keegan, I would wait until maybe your next call, like 10:30, 11 is going to be really good trading time. Okay, I think if we can break out of this range and have some continuation, all right, that it's going to be a little bit better than what's kind of trading here. We're trading three, I would say 5 news folders back to back. All right, so this is what you get. Like this is although we're not executing trades, you guys got to see that this is a learning experience. All right, and a learning experience is when there's multiple news, the market becomes manipulated. All right, and just consolidated, ready for a bigger move. All right. Guys, 345 likes. If we could smash this to 400 just right near the end of the call, that'd be fantastic. And then, like we said before, guys, we're going to do that power hour session if we can get almost 500 likes per stream. So let's see if we can smash that. And on Friday, guys, if Uncle Ronnie wants to join in, then we'll be doing a little bit of a bigger session at that time. Okay. So, guys, 5 minutes. Okay. 5 minutes left. And this is going to be your first 15-minute candle pass. All right. So remember, still ranging right now. Watch and see price. Let's see on gold here what's going to happen. NASDAQ is dropping too. Goldie is bouncing. Okay. So I bet you it's following very similar to GBP USD. There's the Dow, just still horrible, man. Nasdaq. Okay, there's GU. And then look at that dollar index. Okay, they're not letting this fall. Okay, and then watch this first 15-minute candle. This is where it's all going to be showing us the love, I think. Ooh. Guys, I was still holding that Dow trade. Okay, I'm gonna exit on this just because of the wicks. Don't know if you guys were or not, but just look at these wicks coming in. Volume's still strong. I closed out with 7 pips. Okay, 7 pips. I have taken 4. Oh my! I hate myself, man. Game over. There it goes. At least it was 70. And look at that drop, guys. Let's see. Did anyone hold those sells? Did anyone hold those sells, guys? Let me know. If you guys did, like, just be prepared for the daily top and some reversals. Ay, ay, ay. It's too wicky here for me. It's sticky wicky. It's the type of strain that I want to grow. Where's my man here? Tanya, yes, sorry, hon. I just saw your message now. It goes into a private one. Closed right before the big drop, guys. It is what it is. Wannabe, come to daddy. There he is. Hopefully you... Look at the Dow, guys. See here? Look at this. Frick, man. This wicks. Look at gold. Still horrible. Speak Spanish? Can't do it, man. I don't know how. Look at this, guys. I told you. I told you I'm out. I don't like these long wicks. They're still pushing that piece back right exactly where that support is. Okay? Like, this is just, it's crazy to watch and see the momentum. Look at Nasdaq bouncing zone to zone. Okay? Look at GBP USD. Okay, and look at the reversal starting to happen here. So, one more minute, dudes and ladies, and we are out of here, okay? And look at the Dow here. Push right back. Watch GU, guys. Watch GBP USD. Nasdaq volume is still strong. And see why I took Dow? This is why right here. Multiple. We had about 15 to 25 minutes of this support level being held. Okay, so if we're going to see this first 15-minute candle, if they're going to hold this, it looks pretty bullish right now, guys. They're building the base currently. All right, if they do break this, it's just because the overall momentum is still very strong. All right, but I'm telling you, that level 33.85 is key. Okay, so watch and see now. See if we can get some opportunities coming in. All right, and let's see gold here. Big rejection. Alrighty, guys. Honestly, I think we've dealt with enough stress today. Okay, like gold was really good on buying and selling, but look, this is the whole session. Like it's horrible, right? There's not much that anyone can do. All right, that's the unfortunate part about post CPI, it is what it is, guys, and that's the thing. I still believe that gold can push, all right, unless we break that daily. Okay, like if we come here and get some volume stepping in, we can maybe push, but right now it looks like that bearish flag. Okay, so you can see Dow is still holding, guys. So watch for the Dow to probably get back up to, I would say, maybe that 200 EMA following Mo. Take a look in Discord. Okay, I do believe there's something sent there. Okay, and yeah, guys, look at GU here, still ranging. Tough day, but the DXY had a good day. That's the most important part about this. So watch for 10:30 to 11 o'clock, guys. All right, I'm telling you right now, you're going to get some bigger movements at that time. Okay, so let's watch and see here. Members, you guys are leading into the next Zoom call. All right, follow along with these key levels. You're going to see the exact same consolidation that we just went through. Okay, so guys, listen, I'm going to give it a call today. I don't really feel comfortable with continuing. All right, literally, I've done 4 trades today. I did a US 30 sell, which I got 7 pips out of. 3 gold buys, and that's it. All right, for a total of 430. Okay, so 41 rough pips. I do standards pretty much on everything. All right, that's it. That's it. Not even 50 pips. Okay. So guys, watch GU at 20100. Okay, watch this. It's coming to an apex for a potential pop. Okay, everything could be reversing right now, so get ready for it. Watch gold too. Okay. All right, guys, we'll see you tomorrow here. Let me just quickly go over it, guys. If you want to take a peek at what we do, okay, this is our program here. You can check it out. I'm not going to dive into it too much. It's pinned at the top of the chat. Okay. This is our schedule, guys. 5 Londons, 5 New Yorks, 5 post New Yorks. Okay, and then you can see we do roughly 3 to 4 trading workshops. All right. This is going to be the marathon, guys. So if we hit around 500 likes, estimated on all 5 videos, we'll be doing this about an 8-hour session on Friday again. Okay. If you guys have questions on what we do, please check out our email section right here. Give us 12 to 24 hours. All right. And then lastly, guys, we will be doing some kind of a lifetime giveaway, like I mentioned to you, for the 50K. All right, members, and everyone can join in. We're trying to get to 7,000 likes. Sorry, 7,000 followers right off the bat. So if you guys want to head over, like I said, we're not there yet, but be careful of the scams, guys. Like I said, there's a bunch of scam traders out there to put on that they're trying to get to us. We don't message anyone, and there's no underscores or double wording or letters whatsoever. Okay. So head on over, guys, and then go from there. And then lastly, have a good day. And just remember, there's not much trading for the rest of the day. Okay, like this is a heavy range. Tomorrow we have PPI, guys. All right. This is going to be another major news day. Okay, so this is going to be 4 days roughly back to back. 3 days, sorry. So I'm not surprised that today was kind of horrible. All right, there was really no movement even on the news, but this will make the news and the charts have a lot of volume. Okay, so there's GU, guys, getting ready. We'll end off and see how everything is moving. Look at NASDAQ buying. Okay, look at the Dow buying. That's why I told you to get out. Look for buying if you guys are. They're building the base. Look at gold here. They're still holding. I'm watching gold again from 1836. Okay, watch gold for buying opportunities coming back up into that range. All right, just keep in mind it's very similar to GU. And then lastly, oil, guys. It's ironic how it's basically in that demand area, and the double top, you can see bought again on oil, and it's still running. Okay. And that's about it, guys. We'll see you tomorrow, same time, same channel, and we will get ready to rock. All right. Okay, guys, I will see you then. God bless, and have a wonderful day. Okay. And hopefully you guys are going to the gym, working off all those sweets and treats you had yesterday. Don't let that stuff bundle in, guys. Go get some endorphins running. All right. Peace out. Later, guys. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the live session of Stocksnipertrading. My name is Dave, guys. My partner is Ron. Let's get down to business here, guys.
In on US 30 sell. Okay, I'm jumping in. Guys, that's a 100 pip drop. Yes, we caught it. Hey, guys, 200 pips, please secure.
Trading with a perfect broker is the key, which takes you one step ahead. At AAAFx, we have you covered. The future of Forex is zero commission. Here at AAAFx, we offer ultra low commission, which starts at 99 cents per lot. Our account's spreads start from 0.0 pips. With account leverage up to 500x, and can have a minimum deposit of $100, with an additional 100% deposit bonus, regulated by HMC Greece, compliant with ESMA, EU, regulated with FSCA, South Africa. Nothing to lose, but something to gain. Trade with the world's most liquid market provider, AAAFx, recommended by Stocksnipertrading. To get started, use the affiliate link below.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies.